Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, May 23, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, May 23, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong May 23, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, May 23, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 10 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 29 million pesos for May 23, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, May 23, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.